So right now, RIFFUSION is the biggest competitor to Suno and Udio. Little bit about Udio, but more towards Suno, because the quality of the song generated here is, even though it is in beta state, it is still quality similar to Suno version 4. Now, they don't use the same model as Suno. They have their own model here. If you see this update here, you can see this is the model, their own model that is called the Fast. And currently, it is in 0.8 and it is still in beta, while Suno is already in version 4, but they have the quality of the song similar to Suno version 4. Here, a few sneak peek of some of the songs.
They hold the key to the world, just you and me. The best of us shines through the night. In your love, I see the light. These streets don't recognize me anymore. These streets don't recognize me anymore. Don't recognize. The best of us shines through the night. And in your love I see the light. Every moment is a moment.
So to use it, make sure to sign up, and at this time it is totally 100% free to use, so you can generate as many songs as you want. And how to do that, you can come to the profile here, and you can see in the profile you have the option here. There are two options. One is using the prompt. You can just type in the type of prompt that you want to use in here, or you can simply use this random prompt generator to generate the prompt. So you can see once you click, it generates different kinds of prompt in for you. And that's when you type in the type of music that you want, and you can click generate to generate it. The next one is the compose, which is more like advanced features that you can control your own song. You can control writing your own lyrics. You can type in your own sound, everything in here. You have this advanced feature that you can enable it to do some more things in there, or you can just leave it like that. And here, this is where you type in your type of music that you want to generate. So I already have one of my lyrics in here, and the thing is, I just want to type in something like that so we can listen to when it is done generated. Okay, so here we just click on generate to generate the songs. So in less than a minute, the songs are already generated, and here are the songs that we generated from it.
The best of us shines through the night. In your love, I see the light. Just you and me. The best of us shines through the night. In your love, I see the light. Every moment.
Okay, so that's how we can use RIFFUSION. Again, it is at this time it is totally 100% free, so you can generate as many songs as you want to. Thank you again for watching. See you back again in another video.